This is a word processing basics video, and the first thing that you want to do is click where you want to type. And as you can see, I made a mistake, so what I can do is I can just right click this and it will tell me what I wanted to type. And here I messed up again, so I could just actually backspace and fix that. So if you want to move this text or anything, you can copy by selecting the text and right clicking it and put copy, and then you could right click again and then paste. And if you don't want the sentence anymore, you can cut it, or you could also use the edit bar, which is cut, copy and paste also. But if you want to move it without this, you can drag and drop, which you would click, hold, and move it, and then it goes to where it wants to go. Also, Web Clipboard allows to save and reuse text even in other documents, helpful for when you need to repeat something often but don't want to type it every time. To get started, you can select the text you want to save. Then go to Web Clipboard, which is in the edit menu. Go to Web Clipboard and then you copy selection to Web Clipboard, and then it's there. Then place cursor whenever you want to reuse it. So let's say I want to reuse it here. So the only thing I have to do is go back to the Web Clipboard, and it would appear here, and I can paste it as rich text. And then it shows up. You can also, something else that's really helpful is find and replace, which you can type a word or phrase looking for and it will be highlighted yellow in your document. So you would open edit menu and you could use find and replace, and then let's say you want to find how many times you put in, and it shows up. And you can also replace it with something else. You can also select text to enlarge in, or so you would use font size, and you could, maybe you want it to be bigger, so you go to 24. You can also add fonts. You can also change fonts with it, so you could still have to be highlighted, and you can just change the font of it, or you can also add more fonts, which there's a lot that you can use. You can also change the text color of it, so let's say you want it to be blue, and then it changes to that. And then you can also change the background color of it. You can also line space, and that is right here. So the one I'm using right now is 1.15. You can single, so you would have to select the text and then maybe on double space, or you want 1.5, and that's how you can do that. And you can also add link, which you would enter the link on the toolbar. So insert and then the link, and maybe you can put like a biography of him in here, and then you would apply it. Then the text will turn into a hyperlink.